Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 11th of December and we're going to unbox day number 11 on my gifted LookFantastic advent calendar. We have had such an array of different items. We've had bath, shower gel from Molten Brown, we've had skincare, makeup brush, blush palette, just makeup. We've just had such an array of products, so I'm interested to see what's behind door number 11. So without waffling on too much, let's just jump right into it. So it's another little box. I have no idea what this tiny little thing is. This is the Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum Gradual, and it's the tiniest little bottle. I'm trying to get my camera to focus so you can see it, but it's so tiny. Apply 4 to 12 drops directly to the skin. Oh gosh, 12 seems a bit excessive. Massaging in circular motions and avoiding the eye area. Additional drops will increase depth of colour. Reapply as needed. Okay, so this is a gradual self-tan serum for the face. Oh no, I lie, for anywhere on the body. This is such a tiny bottle, so I'm not sure how far it would go. I'm not the biggest self-tanner, admittedly, because I am just so pale. I only recently got into using the Isle of Paradise light glow clear mousse, and I love the stuff. I have heard of Tan Luxe before, never ever seen a hyaluronic tan serum from them before though. I've seen something similar by Isle of Paradise, and Isle of Paradise are a brand that I trust a lot. I'm not sure I'd be willing to give this a go. It's not a product that appeals to me. I already have a pretty good self-tan routine if I actually do want to self-tan with Isle of Paradise. I'm quite cautious when I choose suntan skincare brands, mostly because of the fear of going orange. So yeah, this might actually be something that gets re-gifted to someone that does like to tan. But I think that's such a quirky little idea. I was not expecting to get a self-tan product in the LookFantastic advent calendar this year. Anyway, thank you for coming by to see me unbox door number 11. If you like what you saw, why not check again tomorrow? I will be uploading a mini unboxing of the advent calendar for day number 12 for the 12th of December. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!